Minecraft, but I'm a chicken. So this is actually a really good spawn. We got another portal right here. What's in the chest? Gapple pick. Okay, this is actually really good. Ironic that my boots have feather falling on them. There's a village right here. This is like a good seed. What is this? Let me get some tools real quick. Can't crit him because I have slow falling. Oh. Let's go. Okay, we have a bucket. Don't want to fall in here. Don't want to become a lava. Make a portal real quick. Alright, what do we got? This is the worst spawn. Oh, don't want to fall in there. Don't want to end up like a lava. There's a bastion here. Okay, I'm going in. Let's go. Come on. I pass him.